Do you know how words like unhappy, teacher, and kindness are formed? In the next few minutes, you'll learn the 7 most important types of affixation that every English learner should know. Before we learn about affixation, let's first understand what word formation is. Word formation is the process of creating new words from existing words. English uses different methods to build new words, and one of the most common methods is affixation.
So, what is affixation? Affixation is the process of adding prefixes, suffixes, infixes, or other affixes to a root word to create a new word or change its meaning.
In today's lesson, we'll learn the first 7 concepts of affixation: root word, prefixation, suffixation, infixation, circumfixation, interfixation, and affixation. We'll explain each one with simple definitions and examples, so by the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to test yourself. Root word. Definition: the basic form of a word without any affixes added. It carries the main meaning. Example: play. Meaning: the simplest form of the word that can stand alone and gives the core meaning. For example, play equals to engage in activity for fun. Prefixation. Definition: adding a prefix, beginning part, to a root word. Example: un plus happy equals unhappy. Meaning: changes or modifies meaning by adding a prefix before the root word, like unhappy means not happy. 3. Suffixation. Definition: adding a suffix, ending part, to a root word. Example: teach plus equals teacher. Meaning: changes meaning or grammatical role by adding at the end, e.g. teacher equals a person who teaches.
Infixation. Definition: adding an affix inside a word. Rare in English, common in other languages. Example: fan-bloody-tastic, informal English. Meaning: an element is inserted inside a word to emphasize meaning. So fantastic becomes stronger. Fan-bloody-tastic.
5. Circumfixation. Definition: adding affixes both at the beginning and end of a word. Example: n plus large plus n equals enlarge, conceptual structure. Meaning: the word is formed by wrapping a root with affixes on both sides to change meaning. Example: enlarge equals to make larger.
6. Interfixation. Definition: adding a linking element between 2 parts of a compound word. Example: speedometer. Meaning: a connector is used between words to make pronunciation easier, like O links speed and meter.
7. Affixation. General category. Definition: the overall process of adding affixes, prefixes, suffixes, infixes, circumfixes, to a root word. Example: kind, in, unkind, kindness, kindly. Meaning: a general word-building process that changes meaning or grammar by attaching affixes to a root word. Congratulations! You've completed the first lesson on affixation. A 30-mark self-test based on today's lesson will be uploaded soon, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and share it with other English learners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.